might be wondering why your browser is not working after the Windows 10 upgrade. In this video, we'll take a look at 2 different ways to troubleshoot and fix it. Option 1. Use the Builtin App Troubleshooter. By using this app, it will automatically fix some of the common problems that you may be experiencing. So let's go to the control panel and open it up. At the control panel, if the icons are too small, you can go to top right and change it to large icons. Then look for troubleshooting. Click on View All option on the left panel. Then select Internet Connections. A dialog box will pop up. You can just click on Next. Choose the option Troubleshoot my connection to the Internet. It will detect any issues that related to Internet connections. You can also view detailed information down below. Simply follow the instructions to fix it. Option 2. Disable non-Microsoft services. Some other programs or services can lead to the Windows 10 browser not working. You can try to disable some of them to fix the problem. Go to the Windows search box. Type in msconfig. Select System Configuration. Select the Services tab. At the bottom, check the item Hide All Microsoft Services. And on the right, click on Disable All. Now go to the tab Startup. Select Open Task Manager. Here you don't need to do anything, just close it out. Click Apply, then OK. After that, reboot your PC. Thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and share this video. Until then, we'll see you next time.